This is gonna take 100 edits.
Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey chat, I'm gonna give you a quick devlog for this month. Most of my editing this month has went towards Operation Chimera, which I've had a bunch of restructuring and everything else on it. If you come over to my website, let me go ahead and get the one with the link here, and click on Operation Chimera in the books. And we have a lot of content added here. We got 4 sections I'm going to start working on, plus the main one here. Read your content warning first. We went ahead and cleaned up the hub. I have a few side stories and a main story here that's been recovered from an old draft. We've worked on the lore building quite a bit. You'll read through that. Could be spoilers. On to the next thing. Our website has some flavor themes now. 17 beautiful and delicious flavors. This is just for fun. You can go ahead and click these and change out the accent of the website. This is the original, which is what you'll be on when you come in. And it does persist over logins. Let's go back to the notes. We now have a signature footer. It's kind of some behind the scenes, if anybody is interested, but this will be on every single page now. Some things not in my notes I remembered is... Ooh, I found a bug. We're gonna have to fix it. Operation Chimera cannot be saved at this time, but save as PDF now is in full black and white with grayscale emojis to save the most ink reasonable. So that's always cool. We do like saving money. It works on all pages just the same as it used to. I was working on Blank Pixel game. Let's talk about that and what happened, why it slowed down. Click over here, you got Blank Pixel game and the game you could play in your browser. We had this last time. I had a mini map. Let's see what else does it say. I can't remember what I had since last time. Yeah, mostly the mini map really. Color coding tooltip, pause menu. Okay, yeah, so if I get an item here, pick it up, is now the words are in the color, which is normally what it was, but that color is now the same as the rarity of the item. You can't quit. It crashes. Let's go back. But here's all the information with this release right here and all of the outputs you can get. This has been reworked since last update, I think. I'm not sure. I made it more of the GitHub release page, so I kind of liked how that was. The features, but if you want older versions, they're all here. And it looks like the GitHub releases. Next note. Media Mimic had a massive update. I went at it yesterday. I don't know if anybody's missed Media Mimic, but let's go ahead and run into that. We go to Media Mimic. Alright, sorry about that. That is a very slow load. I'm just gonna cut that out in the edit. It's fine. You got Media Mimic, and we got a Zen launcher here, but this is a beautiful Zen launcher. It does something brand new. It kills itself. No, I'm just kidding. It loads. It loads a proper loading screen. There is nothing slowing this down. That hard drive is just that bad. It just needs to load a movie. It's fine. Okay, we're in. Massive changes. Everything's different. Don't worry. If you were here last year, I'll just show you. It's fine. So these are supposedly verified. We can actually pull the data now. We can fetch all data types. This is now fetching not from IMDb, but OMDB to collect IMDb's data. Don't worry, this is fine. Proper API, nothing crazy. You get 1,000 requests a day. Now I am pushing my luck with 439 requests right now, immediately. Let's do an edit.
I'm not afraid of what I have to say.
Okay, we're back. That took a very long time. I'm insanely surprised by this. But that's okay, because I had it collect all the data that we would need. We processed 432 titles and 430 posters. Ratings, actually, it's only 2 missing. That's really good. Got most of the ratings. Watch time for most of them. We missed a few, it's fine. You could also hit force refetch if you want to clear cache, or you can do one data type at a time. Hit save on that. Go straight to settings. And you could just click on anything you want. So it goes in order by how you have your stuff organized in your folder. Up one, and then you got your animes, cartoons, movies, all that. It goes over here. So like anime dub, they would just be able to click one. You come up with this. You can look at a couple of these. If you were to hit play, I'm going to hit play on this one. There you go, and it just opens the VLC. It just works. This one is missing data. I don't even think it's called that. It does say BNA. It doesn't say. Oh, you know what? It's fine. We'll fix it later. It's a problem for later. Now we got a few newer additions. We have ComfyUI guide, which is going to release my private image model. Everybody gasp. So we got ComfyUI guide. It's down here. That was a weird render, but that's fine. I'm leaving it in. It's funny. You can grab your ComfyUIs, and you scroll down. You'll see under checkpoints, models, and lures, for what I use is the model. It will take you to Mega to download the model. It is absolutely hilariously large, like 10 gigabytes or something. Enjoy. We have, I have dropped off missions for the site as I'm doing more public style content. I don't think we want to handle any of the commissions. You can still contact me if you want. There's plenty of ways to do it on the site. If you have something awfully specific, you know I can do. But I'm not openly advertising that no more. Sidebars have been regrouped, and nothing ever falls in archive. We got rid of archive. So what was happening is people would see like 4 things, see archive, but it wasn't open, and then just ignore it. It's all here. Just cleaned it up, sorted it, books together, games I made together, how-to guides, all together. Good times. 3D prints was under commissions. You can, I'll tell you my process. Don't worry, I'll just turn it into a how-to. I'll turn it into a how-to. Right now, you just see what I've downloaded and printed. If you wanted Media Mimic, I did forget to mention, Media Mimic is on my site. You can just grab it. There's a GitHub in here, right here. Public, good fun. Alright, and I think that was about all I had in my notes here. Now, I do obviously have more stuff I want to add. Beyond the millions of edits. Vanity is still compatible with Minecraft. But on the flip side, we did just update the server to 26.2, just 26.2. Sounds dumb. So that is a new world, new fun. No one's started anything. Oh, someone came on earlier, but no one's been on but that guy. Verified it's valid, working. You can still use the play.coffeeblock.xyz to connect. And I am looking into changing the modded server. Right now we're on ATM 10. And it's version 7.1. Like, it just came out like last week. But I think everybody's played it that wants to play, so we're gonna try a different mod pack. If you want to sneak in, give me ideas. I'm open to suggestions, but ATM 11 because I have no creativity. I personally like a good block in the sky. Not much else but that block. We'll see what happens. You can join the Discord. I think I'm going to actually get the links to my Discord on my YouTube, maybe in the description. I'm going to do all the things professionals do, but I'm like not going to be professional about doing it. Oh, fuck my hand. Yeah, I definitely wrote these by hand. Shush.